Hey guys, so we mean oopsie. I just watched everything and found out that my mom forgot to record me listing the ingredients. So here are the ingredients, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the tutorial on how to make chicken adobo. Bye. Onion, because I don't know how you say onion in Tagalog.
Sibuyas.
Yes, whatever she said.
Sibuyas.
Yes.
Sibuyas.
Alright. Whatever. So let's get this onion nice and oniony.
So you can smell now, right?
You can smell this through the camera, right?
Okay.
It smells terrific. It also smells like onion. And make sure, if onions make you cry, you have to make it cry first. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
It's looking pretty good. Now, let's take all the onions off. Let's add the chicken. The part that you all have been waiting for. Where's the chicken? I mean, we have legs, we have wings.
that's only chicken wings. Actually, we only use chicken wings this time
Yeah,
because that's what we have in our freezer.
yeah. And we also got a new fridge. We we had a lot of trouble getting the fridge into the house. I should probably speak up.
You can hear the.
You can practically smell it. Oh yeah, and also, when you're cutting the chicken, you should probably dehair it. Because if you eat chicken with hair, it won't taste good. Because no one likes hair in their food. That's just disgusting. That's why you wear hair nets. Especially during these unforeseen events. Okay, and now the sizzling is starting to quiet down. So this is our chance to spring up onto the chicken with some bay leaves. How much should I put? You tell me. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We should put 4. Here we go. And now let's move around the chicken. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Now it's our favorite time, the pepper. What you want to do is grind the pepper if you have a pepper shaker. If you don't have that, or you have like these shakers, like this salt shaker, then if you could just just like that.
Just shake, shake, shake.
Okay, I think
Actually, if we cook chicken adobo, we have to let it like fry it first little before we put all the main ingredients like what do you call this, the vinegar and the soy sauce. We put that until the chicken get like brownie, so that the water of the chicken will come out, and then we have to put the what do you call this, the vinegar and the soy sauce. But so we have to cover this up first, and then
yeah, we are back. Our chicken's doing nice and fine. It didn't jump out of the pot because we covered the lid. Alright, now we have our vinegar. One of the main parts. of the entire chicken adobo. If the pan stops sizzling, then that's okay. It's supposed to happen. Alright, once we've added our vinegar, we're also going to add the soy sauce, which is one of the main ingredients, and it probably is the main ingredient. It gives the chicken the nice black color.
And the salt.
Yeah.
Okay?
Not
Because
yet.
you use the soy sauce. Okay, no salt.
No
If
salt.
you use soy, you can only put salt if it's not good the taste. Okay?
Yeah.
If the taste is good, you don't need salt.
Yeah.
Okay, so time to.
All right. Let's cover it back up just to make sure one final time the chicken doesn't jump out.
Okay.
Right. Our chicken is looking good. So, guess what time it is? It's time to add the sugar. So, it's important. Just put it all in there and make it melt away with every last.
So far, we just only put 2 tablespoon of
Yeah.
brown sugar,
But
so that you can adjust also the taste.
yeah.
It depends on your taste buds, or what do
Yeah.
you want. If it's
So
really sweet, but I just only want like
yeah.
mixed up with like the
Yeah,
tanginess
you don't want it to be like vinegary and
and
it
soy
tastes bad
soy
if you don't have.
and soy soy.
Mhm. And if and after you're done, you want to guess what time it is. Mix, 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 mix.
Okay, and then cover up.
All right, covering it up, but not this time. That we're covering it up because we don't want. All right, this is how you know when it's done. All right, it looks nice. It's nice and red, or
It's eating time.
it's nice and like nice brownish in real life. And we're just getting ready to eat. So I'll see you later. Bye. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this with your friends.